Hello everyone. Let's see question number 22. Convert the following chemical reactions into chemical equations. We have given some chemical reactions, then we have to convert them into chemical equations. This is our question. You can attempt previous one or this one, which contains 3 marks. That first one, copper reacts with concentrated nitric acid. See, we know that copper Cu. Copper is indicated by Cu and reacts with concentrated nitric acid. It is HNO3. We know that when metal reacts with acid, it forms corresponding salt and hydrogen gas. But in case of HNO3, since HNO3 is oxidizing agent, H2 is oxidized to H2O and HNO3 itself undergo reduction to form NO2 or NO. Now, copper nitrate CuNO3 twice is formed plus NO2 plus H2O will be formed. This is the reaction. See, copper, one in the react and one in the product. This is copper. NO3 twice. How many nitrogen in the product side? There are two nitrogens, but in reactant only one. Therefore, I am writing here two. No, actually there are three. One CuNO3 twice, two nitrogens, and in NO2 one nitrogen. Therefore, three nitrogens. Nitrogen ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, copper ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. What about oxygen? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3. 2 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 3 ಆಯ್ತು 9. 3 3s are 9 oxygen. Correct ಆಯ್ತು hydrogen. 3 hydrogen in the reactant side and only 2 hydrogen in the product side ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2H2O and 2NO2. ಈಗ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ 2 plus 2 4 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ HNO3 ನಾನು 4 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ 3 4 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Let us check it once again. 4 HNO3. Okay. 1 copper, 1 copper. Reactant and product side balanced. Nitrogen ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 nitrogen in reactant side. 4 nitrogen and 2 plus 2. 4 nitrogen in product side. 4 3s are 12 oxygen in reactant side. 3 2s are 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ plus 2 2s are 4 ಇದೆ plus 2 oxygen. ಇಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 12 oxygen. Oxygen is also balanced. What about hydrogen? 4 hydrogens in reactant side and 2 2s are 4 hydrogen in product side. So, first one ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. Let us write second one. Silver nitrate solution is added to potassium bromide solution. Silver nitrate AgNO3. Silver nitrate solution, that is AgNO3. aqueous ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ AQ ಅಂತ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. reacts with potassium potassium ಆಯ್ತು, bromide solution KBr, aqueous solution. reaction ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it is double displacement reaction. AgBr ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ag ಇರೋದು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? NO3 ಜೊತೆ. KNO3 ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ವಿಯಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಕ್ವಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. Then third one, zinc oxide is reduced by coke, right? Zinc oxide, zinc, Zn is zinc, oxygen, oxide. Coke is nothing but it is pure form of carbon. In form ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ zinc and carbon monoxide. This is balanced ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. This is first one, this is second one, and this one is third one. Balanced chemical reaction, and the following chemical reactions are represented using chemical equations. ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Thank you.